Many of my friends were surprised that I got this dress for £20 and this dress for £20. And here I am today to show you exactly how. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know that I'm really big about spending wisely and finding the best deals when it comes to shopping. I do a lot of my shopping online, be it for clothes, for household items, or for presents. One thing which I really look out for good deals is occasion wear. Now these dresses tend to be really expensive and it's really not worth splurging too much on them because you only wear them for a few times in your life. What I do is I always look for discount codes online, compare prices across websites, and if I can, get cashback on my purchases. This can take up a lot of time and sometimes it's very overwhelming. But what if I told you that there's a much smarter way to shop? And all of these things can be automated, helping you to save time and money. Today I would like to introduce something which I've been using, and that is Coupert. It's an AI-powered shopping assistant which can make your online shopping experience a lot better. When it comes to shopping online, I believe that many of us want to get the best deals and that we're making good use of every dollar that we spend. This is exactly what Coupert does. It works in the background, find the best coupons to get cashback on your purchases and help you compare prices across sites. You don't even have to lift a finger. I have a few weddings coming up this year and I'm looking for occasion wear, so let me show you how I use Coupert to help me save money. I'm on this site called Pretty Little Things where they have really nice affordable occasion wear dresses. I've added these dresses to cart. I've been eyeing them for a while and you can see that when I'm about to check out, Coupert automatically runs at the background to find the best discount code for me to use to offset my purchase. This is really a game changer for me. You see that my total adds up to around £90, but you see that Coupert runs in the background and it helps me save about 40% of the original prices. This to me is a game changer when it comes to online shopping. I'm also a big fan on shopping on Amazon, and Coupert is great in helping to compare prices. If you're doing it manually, it can get really confusing if you have to open multiple windows and tabs at the same time and try to remember which websites offer the best prices. With Coupert, it will automatically run checks and let you know which websites have the lowest price. Even on Amazon, you see that for this pair of boots, it tells you how the prices have evolved in the last couple of weeks. It lets you know whether you're buying it at the lowest price possible. This is a feature which is really important for me. For example, if it's something that is not time sensitive for me, then I'll usually wait out to get a better deal. On top of that, if you're someone who's looking for cashback, Coupert has that too. It has partnered with many retailers to bring you cashback offers on your purchases, be it fashion, tech, or food delivery. As you shop, Coupert will display cashback offers from different stores. You just need to activate the deal and you'll get a percentage of what you have paid. To me, this is a really great money-saving tip. Coupert is really easy to install. I'll leave a link down below so you can download it, and it works seamlessly in the background. If you want to take the hassle out of online shopping and to always make sure that you're getting the best deal, then Coupert is really the way to go. It will save you so much time and money. Let me know if you've managed to use Coupert for any of your online shopping. Thank you for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful and see you guys in my next one. Take care and goodbye.